First, may God bless us. We live to see 2020, and many people don't make it, but God knows what's best for them. But first, I must tell you, say, oh God bless, no man curse. And you say this, that no man can judge me, only God himself can judge me. And now we, SCALLAWAHA, SILKO, I said that, King Money. Alright, now watch your face, car. You see the 2020, and we say cooking. And we are keep up the tradition thing what we learn in Jamaica, and we always have it up here. No matter where we go, we never forget it. You see, on Sunday, we always play some nice gospel song or some love song, or we we go church, and sometimes we parents they wake up early in the morning and they put the rice and peas and chicken, and you know what they do again? They make breakfast, everything ready. So we in England now, we still have carry on because we get the blessing from back home from our parents that teach you how to cook, you get me? So I'm going to cook today, and it's Sunday, so you see, Sunday is my day, and Saturday is my day, and the missus day, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But you see, when they catch on Saturday and Sunday, I'm mad in the kitchen, they take over fully, and me I roll the boat, and me I do everything, and me I the pilot, and me I the captain for the kitchen and everything. So first, look at this over here, so now, these are the fish, right, these are the fish, alright, these are the fish, you see this, you know why it have this nice, miley, brown looking color? It's because I season it properly from the night before, so when I season it from the night before, the season soaking it and it tastes more better. When you cook fish, you don't season it straight away and steam it or fry it. You must season it the night before, and you get a nicer taste of the season soaking it. Look how this one nice. So you are going to take off the season and fry it, and we are going to put it in the oil first. And again, the pot after well hot. If the oil not hot in the pot, if the oil not hot in the pot, tell me what. The fish are going to stick on and tear up and mash up and scrumble up in the pot, right? So first I must make the oil well hot. Yeah, when the oil well hot, you take out a piece of the season, mean piece of the carrot or the onion or the spring onion when you're in scallion, you drop in the pot, and that's how you test the oil. Remember that. Right, now carry it over here, so now see them there? And we say fry fish, and we say we take over on Saturday and Sunday, 2020, and we are doing it. SILKO, SCALLAWAHA, I do it. So, I my time in the kitchen this morning, you know, and we are dealing with it. Alright, you see how to fry and bubble down? This is the special part of the fish, called the head, so it's around the boat. Now, if you don't have an head, you know, see where you go, so you have to roll the boat to the head, so the head is. Right, this is the middle part, and this is the next middle part, and this is the tail. So the tail steer the head, and the head steer the tail. Alright, now watch your face. Come over here so now. This is the rice and peas. But the rice not in it yet, but the peas are cooked. Right, we just sink it, put some cold water in it, that's why it's not boiling up properly, but we just sink it. It's called kidney bean. Red kidney bean they call it in England, but Jamaica call it peas, red peas. Right. When you cook rice and peas, you take it out of the bag, you wash it about 3-4 times. Sometimes you can carry some little parts of the inside of it. So here what you do, you pick out the part of it in it, and then you wash it and you put it on and make it go and boil up. And remember, cut up piece of garlic and put it in it. When you say the garlic, you make it always garlic. Remember that, alright? So come over here so now let me tell you about the seasoning from the fish now. Right, this a spring onion. A spring onion this they call it scallion in Jamaica. In England, they call it spring onion. Right. See it again, I this one, this same one. The green one, a spring onion. They call it scallion in Jamaica. This one now is a carrot. Everybody know carrot. Not rat, you know, carrot. Remember, I never say rat, I say carrot. Alright, this one a carrot. Alright. This one a onion itself. Everybody know onion itself. That's a part of the ingredient. And this one now the red piece, everybody know this a tomato. Right, then called salad tomato salad tomato. And this one now, then call it okra. Okra make a place called moko. You know okra, steam up the back and everything. You can't do it okra. And remember, ginger are the healing of the nation. We put the ginger knife on the ginger. You can't see the ginger, but the ginger cut up fine in it. Because you know, so ginger a part of the healing of the nation. Remember, ginger is a nice thing to use in everything you do. Remember, you can put ginger in it. Don't make nobody fool. Like I said, ginger, it cure a lot of things. It slow down cancer, it slow down this, it slow down. Call all the diseases you can do. Ginger can help you a lot tonight. But come back over here so we look again. Now we put on something we call seasoned salt. We put all purpose. We put garlic powder. We put fish season. And we take a black pepper, not too much in it. Remember, season is not too good for you. So don't put too much season. Especially when you catch up in an age, you must take time with your season. Don't put a lot in it. You know, just put it on the right level. You understand? But I remember, say, you get older and older every day. You could have a 5-year-old, every day you get older. You understand? So don't look on it and say, oh, me a 10-year-old, me young. You get older every day. So be careful with the season. Season can give a lot of things. You understand? High blood pressure and all these things. Only for things behind it. So we're not going to talk about the high blood pressure. We are continuing to talk about the food. You see this, and we season it. And we season it from the night before. You see this a nice mildly look. And we is a season. And we is a Sunday cooking. And we is a Saturday cooking. Because that's the time when we take over. We take over on Saturday and Sunday. And we run the place. And we not left the kitchen an inch. Because we don't want the kitchen get pinched. And we are the dapper and we like cook snapper. You hear that? So come back on this again. Look over here so the fish are going to fry. You see the fish nice and mild. And Mrs. love me when we cook fish like this. Because you know what? You're the best fish cooker. You see when we cook fish like this, my Mrs. love me. Man, everybody lick them 10 finger. I mean, 8 finger, 2 thumb. I catch you this up. Alright, come back again. With the pan, see the peas that are going to cook and mellow down, you understand? Yeah. So that's a little short bit of the King Money. I'm in name King Money and I'm in here SILKO SCALLAWAHA and I'm name what my name and it can't change. So now I tell you, subscribe, like it and comment. And if anything you want to say about it, you know, because I'm a part of cooking. And some people can't cook, but they can learn from video. When I see some video where people can cook. I'm not going to say I'm the best cooker, but I can help myself. So may God bless me and keep me. And you say, who watch this video? Send it around. And may God bless you now and keep you again. Yeah, you know, because the 2020, enough people not live for the 2020. Don't watch a baby a cry. That's why you don't put the pepper in the fish. You know, feed all time. You understand? So that's how everything goes. You understand? So a SILKO, and I made them call SILKO SCALLAWAHA. SCALLAWAHA SILKO, Money SCALLAWAHA. I'm the same man of all these names. So one love. Watch it again and soon again.